Find the height of the cylinder whose radius is 15 cm and total surface area is 2500 cm square. So we have to find the height of this cylinder. The radius is 15 and total surface area is 2500 cm square. Solution will be, we have the radius 15 cm, total surface area is given, which is 2500 cm square. So the formula of total surface area is 2 pi RH plus 2 pi R square. So it becomes 2 pi R into R plus H. So after applying the values, it is 2 pi R into H plus R, which is equal to 2500 centimeter square. Now after applying the values, it becomes 2 into pi into 15 into H plus R. R is given, as we have to calculate. It will be equal to 2500. Now H plus 15 is equal to 2500 divided by 2 into pi into 15. It will be transposed here. Now, after calculating it, we get 2500 over 94.2. After subtraction, it becomes 26.53, which is equal to H plus 15. H plus 15 is equal to 26.53 and H is equal to 26.53 minus 15. So the value of H is 11.53. This is the final answer. This is the height of the cylinder.